Here are the answers. Number 1. As a natural disaster, the snowstorm falls under the macro environment, which is also known as the external environment. Number 2. Businesses have no control over the macro environment, as it includes external factors like natural disasters. However, they can minimize its impact through effective risk management strategies. Number 3. The snowstorm would be categorized under the physical environment or environmental component of the macro environment, depending on the term you were taught. This component refers to natural elements like geography, climate, ecosystems, and natural resources that influence business operations.